Okay, time for another quick bit of LCD nonsense. I've got here a dead iPad ID A1566, which I got from a friend. I think the charging port died or something, and they were like, can't be bothered getting it fixed. So they gave it to me. I separated the insides from the outside some time ago, and got another box. What's in the box? The answer is that I've been here before and I know what's in the box, and it's another LCD controller. Now, when I bought this, the guy was like, I'm sure you've got the right model. I'm like, well, pretty sure. He said it was for a 1566. Then I didn't answer him in time, and so he's like, I just sent this. So I don't know if this is going to work, but it'll be exciting and we'll get to find out together. So let's have a look what's on the back. There's a bunch of connections. So it looks like he's given me two options here. So what have we got here? These two come from the button and the digitizer. So this one's from the panel, so that's what I want, which is not that one, but it is this one. Okay, that was more difficult than I had hoped. So what have we got on here? That is a lot of information. Reset panel time. So I wonder if this is made for people servicing iPads or something. Oh no, if it's showing 0 hours, then this is probably for the controller. Okay, so that looks a bit weird. I'm going to try from a computer. So I'll put this back on its stand and try on the computer and see how it goes. Okay, so I've got it hooked into a computer now, and full disclosure, I cleaned the screen too, and we can see that they weren't lying, that it is a portrait orientation display, and it is very nice and high resolution. So I'll come up with something to do with this again later on, but it's nice to know that I've got the right kit and it all works now. So thanks for watching this little quick bit of LCD nonsense, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.